Good morning. In previous lecture, last lecture, we learned formula about surface area and volume of solid shape, cuboid, tube, cylinder, cone, sphere, and hemisphere. Now, example number 1. Open your textbook and read the question. Example 1. Mary wants to decorate her Christmas tree. She wants to place the tree on a wooden box covered with cardboard paper with picture of Santa Claus on its figure. This figure. She must know the exact quantity of paper to buy for this purpose. If the box has length, breadth and height as 80 cm, 40 cm and 20 cm respectively, how many square sheet of paper of size 40 cm would she require? In this question, Mary wants to prepare a Christmas tree from its height. If its box is length, breadth and height. Length is 80 cm, breadth is 40 cm and height is 20 cm. It is box height, length and breadth. How many square sheets of paper of size 40 cm? Square sheet, its side, that means side is equal to 40 centimeter. Then find how many sheets she require. Number of sheets. We find here number of sheets is called n. How many sheets? Please open your textbook, read question. Here box length is equal to 80 cm, breadth is equal to 40 cm and height is equal to 20 cm. First we find total surface area of box and area of square sheet. Number of square sheet is equal to area of box, surface area of box upon area of square sheet. Now, surface area of box. Now please, no, RBH, then it is a cuboid. Surface area of box, that means its total surface area 2 into RB plus BH plus H is equal to 2 into I, that means 80 into 40 plus 40 into 20 plus 80 into 20 equals to 2 into 8 4s are 3200 plus 4 8s are 4 2s are 800, 8 2s are 1600 is equals to 2 into 0 0 10 6 16 and 1 2 2 and 3 56 is equal to 11,200 centimeter square. It is the surface area of box. Now, area of square sheet. What is the area of square? Is equal to, yes, side square. Side square, that means x square or a square is equal to 40 square is equal to 1600 centimeter. 1600 centimeter square. Now find number of sheets, number of square sheets equals to surface area of box upon area of one square sheet. Area of one of square sheet is equal to surface area of box is equal to 11,200 upon area of square sheet is equal to 1600. 16 sevens are 7 square sheet. How many square sheet required? Many require 7 square sheet. Then you write and last statement, many require 7 square paper sheet. How many? 7. Okay. Again, Mary wants to make paper Christmas tree with paper box. Her then length 20 centimeter, 40 centimeter, and 20 centimeter length, breadth, and height. Square sheet with side is 40 centimeter, and number of sheet is equal to we find here, and otherwise is equal to find. First we find surface area of box using formula 2 into LP plus BH plus LH, any number you put, then we get 11,200 centimeters square. Area of square sheet is equal to 1600 centimeters square. Number of square sheets is equal to 7 square sheet required. How many square sheet required? 7 square sheet required. Now question number 2, example number 2. Now example number 2, open your textbook. Question number 2. Hamid has built a cubicle water tank with lid for his house, with each outer edge 1.5 meter long. He gets the outer surface of the tank, excluding the base, covered with square tiles of side 25 centimeter. See figure. Here figure is given. Find how much he would spend for the tiles if the cost of the tiles is rupees 360 per dozen. In this question, Hamid has built a cubicle tank. Cubicle tank, therefore its length, breadth and height, therefore its side is equal to 1.5 meter. the outer surface area of tent excluding base. Cube has 6 sides. We know. Not to stick tiles on base. Therefore, he wants 5 sides. Excluding base, cover the square tiles of side 25 cm. Here 10 and tiles. Its size is equal to 25 cm. Find how much he would spend for the tiles if the cost of tiles is rupees 360 per dozen. Cost of tiles is equal to 360 rupees per dozen. Since Hamid is getting the 5 outer sides, not base, 6 side is excluded, outer faces of the tent covered with tiles. He would need to know the surface area of the tent to decide on the number of the tiles required. Hamid, here length is equal to side, tent side, cubicle side, its length is equal to 1.5 meter, and tiles is also square tiles. Its side is equal to 25 centimeter. Here meter and centimeter. We convert centimeter into meter or meter into centimeter. We convert here meter into centimeter. 1.5, that means 15 upon 10 into 100 centimeter is equal to 150 centimeter. Is equal to 150 centimeter. First we find surface area of cubicle tent. Surface area of cube. We know 6 is square. 6 L square. But here base is not included in this. Therefore 5 sides. 6 sides. We know cube has 6 surface, but one surface is not included. Therefore 6 surface, 5 surface. Surface area of cubicle tent with 5 surface or with 5 surface equal to 5 into side square L square is equal to 5 into L, 150 into 150 centimeter square. We find here 5 side square because excluding base. Therefore, we remove, not calculate 6 sides, we calculate 5 sides. Area of square tile is equal to side square is equal to 25 into 25 centimeter square. Now, how many tiles required? Then we calculate its cost. Number of tiles required equals to surface area of tent upon is equals to surface area of tent. What is here? We 5 into 150 into 150 upon 25 into 25. 25 6 25 6 5 6 30 36 180 tiles. How many tiles required? 180 tiles required. 180 tiles required. Now, cost of tiles is equal to 360 rupees per dozen. Therefore, 12 dozen, that means 1 dozen is equal to 12 piece. Now, cost of 12 tiles is equal to 360 rupees. Then we calculate 180 tiles is equal to how much rupees? Now, cost of 12 tiles is equal to 360 rupees. Then, therefore, cost of 180 tiles is equal to how much rupees? Then we multiply 360 multiply 180 upon 12. 12 3s are 36, 0 is equal to 18 3s are 5400 rupees. हमें spend 5400 rupees for tax. Again this question, first we convert meter into centimeter, length of 10. Now first we find surface area of cubicle 10, 5 with 5 sides is equal to 5 surfaces, 5 square is equal to 5 into 150 into 150. Area of square tiles is equal to side square. 25 into 25, number of tiles is equal to 180 tiles. Cost of 12 tiles is equal to 360 rupees. Then cost of 180 tiles is equal to how much? 5400 rupees. Then write last statement. Hami wants to spend 5400 rupees for tiles. Okay, example number 2 completed here. Now, exercise 13.1, question number 1. A plastic box 1.5 meter long, 1.25 meter wide and 65 centimeter deep is to be made. It is open at the top. Ignoring the thickness of the plastic sheet, determine number 1. The area of the sheet required for making the box. The cost of sheet for it. If a sheet measuring rupees 1 meter square costs rupees 20. Now, what is its length? Length is equal to box length is equal to length is equal to 1.5 meter. Breadth is equal to 1.25 meter and 65 centimeter deep. Height is equal to 65 centimeter. Here all measures. I in meter, here meter. Then all we convert centimeter into meter. Therefore 0.65 meter. Cost of sheet is equal to 1 meter square is equal to 20 rupees. Fine. First, the area of the sheet required. we find here area of sheet required. Suppose it is a cuboidal. Its length, breadth and height is given. Therefore, we know that it is a cuboidal shape. Now, cuboidal shape. It is open. Open the top. Here, top is open. Then determine how many sheets required here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and bottom. We calculate the area of the sheet required. Sheet required is equal to area of sheet required is equal to area of lateral surface area of box minus plus base surface lateral surface area of box plus lateral surface area of box plus area of base. Now lateral surface area of box. What is lateral surface area? 2h L plus B plus area of box. What is area? Area is rectangular shape, then L into B. Put value 2 into h. H is equal to 0.65 into L is equal to 1.5 plus B is equal to 1.25 plus L into B 1.5 into 1.25. Now multiplication of this 1.30 here 5, 7, 2.75 plus multiplication of this number is equal to 1.875. 65, 6, these are 91 and 6, 97, 9, 26 and 9, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3.3, 26 and 9, 35. 575 plus 1.875 is equals to 10, 15, 1, 14, 1, 5.450 centimeter square. How many sheet required? So here, then here, 5.45 meter sheet required. Required sheet is equal to 5.45 meter square. Now second number. What is the cost of sheet? Cost of sheet is equal to 1 meter square is equal to 20 rupees. Then 5.45 meter square is equal to how many? 20 multiply 5.45. 109 rupees. How many rupees? 109 rupees. Again this question. Box length, breadth and height given. It is open up the top, at the top. Then we calculate its area is equals to lateral surface area of box plus area of its base. Then lateral surface area of box 2h L plus B plus L into B. Then calculate we like this, and cost of box, cost of sheet for it is equals to 109 rupees. Now learn all the formulas of this exercise, quiz chapter.